Hey everybody, it's Maria Willis from Cardbomb here for Tonic Studios, and this month's Stamp Club release has just launched. This is a super fun wintry release with lots of fun elements, and I'd love to show you what's included in this month's bundle. So let's head over to my desk and take a closer look. Okay, this month's Stamp Club bundle is called Snowmies, and when you get your envelope, you are going to find a large 6x8 stamp set and a coordinating die set. This month's stamp set has 2 large snowman images and 2 Christmas trees, some snowflakes, stars, and some really great sentiments. The die set has dies that coordinate with the stamped images, but it's also got some standalone dies that are really fantastic. So these Christmas trees can be used without the stamped images, and then there are also snowman builder dies that come with snowballs to build your snowmies, as well as accessories to make them look cool. Something that I love about this die set is that some of the dies have been grouped together by category to make your die cutting experience easier. So you'll just cut those gloves one time and you'll get 2 of the same color gloves. This will make it so much easier because you won't be worrying about fiddly little dies moving around or getting lost. Included in this month's kit, everybody will be receiving a free stencil. This stencil has gorgeous snowflakes on the top and gently falling snow on the bottom. It can easily be used to create gorgeous winter backgrounds using inks, mousses, or pastes. This month, we also have a terrific add-on in the Mini Slimline Envelope Creator die set. This die set creates one-piece seamless envelopes for your Mini Slimline cards. It also has 2 gorgeous texture plates that can be used in coordination with the envelopes. These 2 texture plates can also be used to create backgrounds on your cards. They do not have a cutting edge around the perimeter, which is what allows you to cut that texture into your envelopes or into your card fronts. This set also includes labels and tags, some of which have die-cut details around the edges. These can be used to decorate your envelopes or to add extra detail to your cards. There are also 3 small word dies for, you, and hi, as well as some embellishments up at the top that can be used to create closures for your envelope or to enhance your tags and labels. Now that we've taken a quick look at today's release, let's take a look at some of the cards and projects that I've made with today's release. As you can see, I had a ton of fun creating custom sentiments using large word dies from the Patterns and Prints and Backgrounds and Borders sets. I also used the Stencil to make some fun backgrounds using both the snowflakes and the falling snow sides of the stencil. And I also used some of the texture plates from the Mini Slimline Envelope Builder to create textured backgrounds as well. This set also pairs perfectly with the sentiments from Christmas Rose and some patterned paper for an easy card. This set is also perfect for making those mini slimline shaker cards and also for making coordinating mini slimline envelopes. I love how easy it is now to make your cards and envelopes match. This Snowmies release is now available exclusively from Tonic Studios. For more information, click the links in the description box below. Thank you. Have an amazing day.